This weekend we're at Wildcat, driving around in a 250X. Follow along, see what we get into. Hey, is this a black trail? Let's see what's so black about it.
Give us just a second, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sorry. Go back up, yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Somebody and he got cleaned up. We got 2 toes. Keep going and there's a spot to turn around. I don't know which way these guys are going. You're hooked. Okay, you're hooked. You want me to winch it up? Are you a Clark?
You have to wait.
Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. Yeah. Hey, pull up just a little bit.
Well, I was wanting them to just pull the winch in.
Yeah.
Machine is an anchor point. That's what I was wanting.
Pull. Yeah, winch in.
Hold on, let me pull forward though.
Yeah, let him pull forward and get this in front, and then start winching from the quad. Yeah. Start winching the quad.
Stay right there.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
I'm a little fat for that spot. Hold on. So there's the end. Yep. Be careful, sir.
Yeah.
Unhook.
Got back up. Yeah, you need to unhook that. Unhook that one. Got the winch out a little bit. Yeah, you need to unhook that one. Get this one out and then get that one out. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, winch that one out.
Go ahead, Charlie, back up.
Hey, hold it. Okay, hold it.
Thank you, sir. Alright, so that was this one up. And then can you go back down?
So what is that one just dead?
Alright, hydrolock maybe. Got a little too deep in the snorkel.
Yeah.
Thinks it's a boat.
Yeah, go ahead and turn.
Just want you to know you got 2 flies on your top of your hand there.
Okay, now turn back to the right.
I thought it was funny.
Yeah, okay, right here.
We can be douchebags together.
Fuck yeah. What does yours say? Cryptech?
What?
Cryptech? Is it on free spool?
Steve, I don't know what's talking about. You might want to put it neutral. This way, over here. Gotta stay protected. Take that whole land stuff. Okay. Go ahead.
Do you want your walking tackle that's knocking around that tree so you're not making it tight? Because otherwise we're going to be paying for this.
It's just gonna pull me into that tree.
Yeah, probably. Probably gonna have to put it down there on the tree. On that other tree.
Unless I can somehow swing it.
Yeah.
Get that machine running. It won't run. Ah.
Yeah.
It won't run. Okay.
Is it going okay?
Hey, can you push on that from the back? Help it out some? Who's back there revving shit up?
What?
Who's back there doing the revving up?
Oh, no, it's him.
So I'm revving it up.
Oh,
So he doesn't
okay.
burn out.
Battery.
Okay. I thought somebody was back there.
I've got one in my other machine. Look at that tree probably right there. We're gonna get it all balled up on that one side. I was just thinking about screwing it up.
They break down that hole or what?
Yeah. He sunk it in the creek.
Oh, yeah. Seen that before.
Yeah.
Wonder who the hell would have done that.
They've got those bird balls like Daddy got.
Oh yeah.
Okay, jump out all your can go ahead. So go ahead.
I've almost killed myself so many times on this.
I hate.
Mostly 3-wheelers.
Yeah. I think utility quads are worse than 3-wheelers.
3-wheelers, man. Launch your ass.
Yeah. And you can't dodge. Like, you can't dodge anything on a 3-wheeler.
I would put that on that tree right there.
Go to this tree. Does the brakes work on that? Yeah. Have him retool come this way.
There's snatch block it to there and run back
Yeah, I was
down.
hitting the snatch block, but
Yeah. If you can hang on right there, and snatch block that tree, you can pull them up the rest of the way.
That way your cord can go back in there easily too.
I got a couple other straps out down there in my machine too. If we need to.
get on the brakes. Madison, get out of the way.
Yeah, brakes are on.
Brakes are on. Go down. Yep.
Bring your wheels up a little. Yeah. There you go. Keep going. Okay, that'd be good. Go ahead. Start winching. Okay. Keep it turn to the right.
Turn that wheel.
Yesterday, that was half month.
Yeah, we needed that last night.
I gotta get one. I gotta get that. I don't have one on me.
Told my daughter's mom.
Of course, I got a winch and everything.
I just
Tree saver and the snatch block. Way to go.
I just need a snatch block. I got a tree saver and a clevis.
That dude was prepared to sing. He got waders on there.
Yeah. Well, he's got the snorkel and everything.
Yeah.
There we go. He's like, I'm getting wet today. I got brakes on.
Everybody had to get their shit out. Right? Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it.
That's what we do. It's always good to break out the toys.
Right?
I'm just glad nobody got hurt. I come up on like, oh man. This time I use everything I got.
Well, yeah, you see mine looks brand new.
That ain't the same setup we used to pull a log fibber.
No. No, it's good.
Get that. It'll take you out to the railroad track. Take a left at the railroad track. You'll see like 3 big old slabs of rock. Cross the railroad track there. Follow the tree.
Don't whip me.
But we were this close, and we're like, you know what? We're gonna go down and check it out. And just falling in behind people doesn't help. You gotta say something to them and say, hey, we're back here. If you see something, if you lose this,
Nope, it's not.
Something happened, yeah.
come back.
You're gonna see all that on YouTube.
I've got, I've met out of.
That's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.